Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. MrCARman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my W210 E55 AMG. I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to remove the grille. So you're going to start off by opening your hood. You're going to locate these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, as well as 2 additional ones on the sides, one here and one here. And you're going to need an 8mm socket for this. And don't worry about this becoming loose, because when you're going to reinstall the grille back, you're going to just put it into place and then install the bolts back into the holes. When you're on your last bolt, just keep your other hand on the grille, as it might end up falling down. So like I mentioned, this plastic piece might come off, so just place it on the side. But with all the bolts out, the grille is going to lift right out. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to remove the front grille on your Mercedes E-Class W210. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.